In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Pinterest pin in Canva. Start by opening your browser and searching for Canva. Look for the official site in the results and click through. If you see the secure lock icon and the familiar Canva homepage, you're in the right place. Once you're there, log into your account so you have access to your projects, uploads, and brand assets. On the homepage, click Create a Design. In the search bar that appears, type Pinterest Pin. This pulls up thousands of ready-made layouts that are already sized for Pinterest and optimized to drive clicks. Choose a template that matches your topic and vibe, or start with a blank canvas if you prefer full control. Either way, you're working at the correct dimensions, which saves time and helps your pin look great in the feed. Next, head to the Elements tab to find a strong background image. Pinterest is a visual search engine, so clarity is key. Pick a clean, high-contrast photo that communicates your topic at a glance, and stretch it to fill the entire background for that full bleed look. Use the crop and position tools to keep the focal point clear and avoid clutter around where your text will sit. To make your title easy to read, add a colored rectangle from the Elements tab and place it behind your text area. Lower the transparency until the photo subtly shows through while your words still pop. This simple overlay acts like a text box and dramatically improves legibility over busy images. Choose a color that aligns with your brand and provides enough contrast without overpowering the design. Leave comfortable padding around the edges for a polished finish. For the headline, use large, bold fonts and keep the message concise. Focus on keywords like how-to, best, or free guide to grab attention and set expectations quickly. Establish hierarchy by making the main phrase the biggest element on the pin, and use consistent spacing and alignment so it reads at a glance on mobile. Add your logo or website URL at the bottom center or near the top. Keep it small but readable, and make sure it contrasts with the background. This helps build brand recognition as your design gets saved and repinned across Pinterest. When you're ready to export, click Share, then Download, and choose PNG for crisper text and graphics or JPG for a smaller file size. Save your file, and you're set with a clean, scroll-stopping Pinterest pin made in Canva.